Life's a little crazy. Can't always take it so seriously. All I know is this is delicious. All made from the cans of chickpeas. Yes! Come on, come on, you can do it. I'm getting ready to head out in the van soon with Miss America, and we're gonna be heading out doing a little trip, and I need to make some snacks and some stuff to eat so I don't have to forage and scrounge on the way. At least I'll give myself a good head start. I have some garlic here. First, it's a little trick I learned when I was in Thailand, taking a course on Thai cooking up in Chiang Mai from a fantastic teacher who pretty much just teaches chefs and restaurant owners really advanced Thai cooking. This is one of the things he had taught me. Take the garlic, leave the skins on, heat them up in a pan. It just helps soften the bite so it's not just raw garlic, and it adds a little tiny smoky cooked flavor to it. So I'm gonna do that first. This is based off of a basic hummus recipe. A lot of them out there have you can cook your own chickpea. Yes, amazing. I just don't have time today because I'm leaving pretty soon. So I don't wanna cook my own chickpeas. And a lot of them suggest that you peel the chickpeas, which, yes, it probably makes it super smoother. But do you have to? No. And you'll see automatically like the oils start to release from the garlic, which is pretty cool just to watch. But as soon as those skins get brown, we'll know they're ready. So I'm just gonna shut that heat off. Garlics are done. You can tell they're a little brown. This is super hot. I'm just gonna give it a quick rinse. And then you know the drill. Every single time, I just rinse it out. You don't have to use a cast iron for this one, but that's what I use. It's my go-to pan. I just have it on the stove all the time, just ready to go. And that's it. That's how you take care of it and season. Ready for the next time. So we won't need all this garlic for this first part. I'm gonna use it for the second part. And sometimes you could use the knife, but usually because of that heating up, it just comes off. They just pop out of the skin fairly easy. And they're nice. It smells delicious. Just smells like cooked garlic. And it removes some of that bite so you don't have that sharp garlicky bite some people don't like. And that means you can add more if you want. 5 cloves of garlic, and they're very warm right now. And a little bit brown. Main ingredient in this one. So I got an oversized can. It's a huge can of chickpeas. Huge, huge, huge. This next size up from a regular can. Pour them right into here. I'm gonna save this aquafaba though, because we will use it. So I'm over here by the food processor now, which is cutting board. Food processor. I am not taking the skins off of these. It doesn't make that much of a difference as far as smoothness goes, to me anyways. It's not a big concern. I like it this way. It's faster, it's easier. This literally will take 5 minutes to make. What I'm gonna do is just blend this up first. And then I have the lemon. So I see a lot of people, they just add lemon juice, but why are you wasting the skins? I can tell the people that aren't chefs out there doing videos. 1, by the way they hold their knife, and 2, by the way they just don't utilize everything. And just zest the whole thing. It just adds that extra bit of lemon that is delicious. And then I got my handy dandy lemon squeezer from my friend in Thailand. Oh yes, I love this thing. Yes. Okay, lemon's done. I'm gonna save this because I might need it for the next recipe. I'm gonna try to show 2 recipes because there's 2 things I wanna bring with me in the van. Oh, I'll do that after. I'm gonna take 2 big cloves of garlic. They're going in. Some tahini, probably like a 1/4 cup of tahini, maybe a little bit more. The more you add, the more liquid you're gonna have to add to loosen it up so it spins. Now, how I'm gonna do this differently, and the flavors that I'm really going for, is if you saw that chili video I did with the tofu, the chili crusted tofu, this is LaoGanMa chili crisp, spicy chili crisp. First I open it, I'm just gonna make sure it's shaken up a little bit. But I really enjoy this flavor. And plain hummus is good, but I really freaking love this flavor. So I'm gonna add 1 big tablespoon. This stuff is delicious to me. And if you're looking to build flavor, which is what I'm all about, this does it. So now if you don't have this, this is a vegan fish sauce I found at the Asian grocery store. I just bought like 3 bottles. You can find this one on Amazon. And I know there's some other brands out there, but I'm looking for the funk. I want the funk. Bring on the funk. So I am gonna add maybe a couple tablespoons. And it just definitely is funk. If you don't have that, you could add a splash of coconut vinegar just for that. It's a super savory, like just delicious funkiness to it. Now I'm just gonna pulse this. If I need to add any liquid, I have this aquafaba I can add to it. Come on, come on, you can do it. It's just a little bit of crushed ice. We used to do that in the restaurant as well. It just helps make a nice fluffy hummus, whatever we're making here. I'm just gonna blend that up. And if I need to, I can add a little bit of this to keep it spinning more. I'm actually gonna save this over here. All right, let's taste this. Yeah, this, I'm just gonna push down anything on the edges here. Boom. 2 good-sized containers of hummus. This is great. So I'm gonna add this on. Even with the little bit of hummus that's in here, I'm gonna add these 3 cloves of garlic. And this is how you don't waste anything. I'm gonna use this much, most of this aquafaba. Yeah, we'll just use all of it. That was about a cup. So we got 1 cup of aquafaba, 2 cups of nutritional yeast. I have that other lemon, so I'm just gonna zest this lemon right into here. So remember, this is gonna be a high protein dressing, vinaigrette. Cut this in half, and we'll squeeze the juice in here as well. 1 more. I am gonna use apple cider vinegar, so I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup. Pop this on here. Start blending and adding some oil. The nutritional yeast already starts to make it creamy, which is awesome. One thing I do want to add, tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Turn that back on. Good amount of oil, olive oil. To finish it off, just for the added boosted flavor, a little bit of sesame oil. It really does bring it up a notch. Maybe like 3 or 4 tablespoons. Look at that. So good. That's going to be dressing for the van. I want 1 small container here. This is what I'm going to have today. Oh, beautiful. Like when I was working way back in the 80s, my chef used to just drill it into my head every time you're down to the last bit. He's like, man, this is your profit. This is your margin. Don't waste that. So good. Quick clean up here. So we got the 2 dressings, 2 hummus, French baguette I got. Watch how I plate this up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's do the spinny. This right here is my dinner. This is what I'm going to eat tonight because I'm too lazy to go out to eat, and I'm leaving soon. Frankie and I are, but anyways, this is what I'm going to do. I mean, if you're a content creator, if you're not swirling this bread around, are you even a content creator? I don't know. All I know is it's this delicious. One more. Good girl. This is so good. It's just enough spice. It's not a lot. It's just enough to give it some really good flavor. And the funk from that vegan fish sauce, super good. Plus the lemon and the pepper. You don't have to add the chili paste or the fish sauce. You can just make it with the lemon and garlic. You could add roasted red peppers. You could add olives. You could add whatever flavors you want that you like. You could add pickles. You could add nooch to this. I haven't done that yet. I'm sure it's good. The dressing. Super good. High protein. The dressing is delicious. So good. Look at that. Just a nice golden color. If you like nutritional yeast, you're going to love this dressing. Life's a little crazy. Can't always take it so seriously. And sometimes I just like to sit on the couch with a bucket of vinaigrette, a bucket of hummus, some fresh baguette, and some fresh lettuce, and go to town. Me and the Frankster. So good. This will go in the van with me. I'll have this beautiful salad dressing to take with me. Fantastic, already done. All made from the cans of chickpeas and some nutritional yeast. And then I have this delicious hummus. All right, guys, I appreciate you. If you like this video, even though it's crazy, I'm just a little crazy today. Have a look at these videos over here because I got a lot more coming up. Kiss. Oh. Have a wonderful weekend. Super duper appreciate you. Cheers.